May 1st, 1960. An American pilot flies over Russia at 21 kilometers altitude. His commanders told him no missile could reach him. They were wrong. The aircraft was the U-2, longer winged than most bombers, capable of photographing 3,500 square kilometers per minute. The CIA built it in 18 months. The Soviets didn't know it existed for 4 years until they shot it down. Francis Gary Powers was captured alive. Khrushchev displayed wreckage photographs to the world. Eisenhower admitted to espionage, the first time any US president had done so. U-2 operating altitude, 21,360 meters, above the range of most fighters at the time. Camera resolution, could read a newspaper headline from 21 kilometers to 12 centimeters per pixel. The incident reshaped global diplomacy and proved that aerial espionage is more dangerous than war. Before the U-2, intelligence relied on human spies. After it, the sky became the greatest spy of all. But the U-2 was only the beginning. What came next defied imagination. An American spy plane flies at 3,500 kilometers per hour, Mach 3.2, and heats its own fuselage to 300 degrees Celsius. It isn't the missiles that are the problem, it's the heat. The SR-71 Blackbird, the fastest piloted aircraft in history, built from titanium because aluminium would melt. Every time a missile was launched at it, it accelerated. Over 4,000 missiles were fired at it during service. Not one made contact. SR-71 speed, Mach 3.2 equals 3,530 kilometers per hour. New York to London in 1 hour, 54 minutes. Surface temperature, 316 degrees Celsius during flight. Fuel is used as a coolant for the airframe. Operating altitude, 25,900 meters. Sees half the Earth's surface in a single flight. Photographs, 150,000 square kilometers per hour. An entire nation's territory in 60 minutes. Retired in 1998, not because anything shot it down, but because satellites became cheaper. The SR-71 was never defeated in the air. Born in secrecy, died in secrecy. Parts of it remain classified today. Satellites replaced the SR-71, but not for everything. There are things satellites simply cannot do. A satellite passes over a target once every 90 minutes. A spy plane can loiter above it for 8 hours. That difference has saved countless lives. 3 limitations make aircraft superior to satellites in specific missions. Limitation 1. Persistence. A satellite passes quickly. An aircraft can hover and track a moving target in real time. Limitation 2. Cloud cover. Thick clouds blind satellite optical cameras. Aircraft fly below them. Limitation 3. Deployment. Launching a satellite takes months. Repositioning a spy aircraft takes hours. That's why when the North Korean nuclear crisis escalated, America flew RC-135 rivet joint over it, not a satellite. The RC-135 rivet joint, the world's most active electronic intelligence aircraft. RC-135 rivet joint intercepts every radio and electronic signal within 600 kilometers, analyses and transmits in real time. Endurance, 12 to 20 hours with aerial refueling. It collects more intelligence in 1 hour than a ground station gathers in a week. Satellites see a location. Spy aircraft understand what is happening there, at the exact moment it happens. And when nations needed to surveil enemies in protected airspace, they invented something far more dangerous. America doesn't have the world's most technically advanced spy aircraft today. A small Asian nation has a platform that worries Washington. Africa and Middle East, UAE. The UAE operates one of the most advanced surveillance and reconnaissance aircraft outside the Permanent Five. Winglung, 2 male, UAV, 32 hours continuous flight, collects intelligence and strikes in the same mission. Documented in Libya and Yemen. CH-4, Rainbow, Chinese, UAE, Saudi Arabia, and Egypt operated, ISR and strike at 2,000 kilometers range. Egypt operates E-2C Hawkeye maritime surveillance, monitoring air and sea threats across the Mediterranean and Red Sea simultaneously. Europe, France. Dassault Falcon 900. Surma, French Navy, maritime surveillance platform. Covers the Atlantic and Mediterranean. Transal C-160. Gabriel, electronic warfare and signals intelligence.
Adjusting course.
Collects data over conflict zones in real time. Asia, Israel. Israel fields more intelligence-gathering aircraft per square kilometer of territory than any other nation on Earth. Gulfstream G550 CAEW, early warning and control aircraft. Falcon radar with 360-degree coverage at 350 kilometers range. Hermes 900 UAV, 36-hour endurance, combat tested. Exported to 12 nations. Asia, China. Y9J-B/GX2, maritime electronic intelligence aircraft, monitors the South China Sea and Taiwan Strait daily. China sends spy aircraft toward Taiwan over 400 times per year, according to Taiwan's Ministry of Defense figures. Israel has more recon aircraft per unit of territory than any other country. What it sees daily surpasses nations 10 times its size. But the most dangerous spy aircraft are the ones the public never sees, because they are unmanned and invisible. The RQ-180, a stealth spy drone flying at 18,000 meters for 24 hours, bypassing every air defense system on Earth. Its existence was secret until 2013. The new generation of spy aircraft combines full stealth with extended endurance. Technically impossible before 2000. RQ-180 Northrop Grumman. Fully stealth. 18,000 meters altitude. Penetrates deep into defended airspace without a pilot. While Russian and Chinese air defenses fight manned aircraft, the RQ-180 flies above them in silence. RQ-4. Global Hawk covers 100,000 square kilometers daily. The entire territory of Jordan in 24 hours. MQ-9 Reaper ISR variant, 27-hour endurance, gathers intelligence and launches missiles in the same mission. But the most dangerous of all, an aircraft whose full specifications no one knows. The CIA and Air Force have never officially released RQ-180 specifications. What we know came from analyzing satellite imagery of Area 51. When a government hides an aircraft's specs, even from its allies, it means the capability exceeds what is permitted to be imagined. This evolution reached an inflection point when artificial intelligence entered the mind of the spy aircraft. An AI-powered spy aircraft analyzes 2,000 human faces per minute, identifies targets, sends the report before a human analyst turns a single page. What AI does inside modern spy aircraft? 3 simultaneous revolutions. Revolution 1. Automated target recognition. AI classifies radar and camera imagery, identifies tanks, missiles, and aircraft automatically. What took a team of 20 analysts 8 hours, AI completes in 4 minutes. Revolution 2. Swarm coordination. A drone, ISR swarm, self-coordinates. Each covers a sector, and the swarm delivers a complete picture. Revolution 3. Prediction and anticipation. AI models analyze historical patterns and predict military force movements before they happen. What the US military is currently testing. Maverick. AI system, vision system embedded in MQ-9. Classifies targets and generates a firing recommendation. Pilot approves or rejects. In other words, the spy aircraft no longer just gathers. It now thinks about what to do with what it gathered. Project Maven, US, AI analyses, hours of surveillance footage, and extracts targets at 93% accuracy. Airborne intelligence warfare shifted from collecting data to understanding it and converting it into decisions in real time. And what is being built now resembles nothing we've seen. The platforms under development exceed science fiction. At a highly classified airfield, satellite imagery captured an aircraft unlike anything publicly known. The Pentagon has never commented on it. Aerial intelligence platforms currently under development. What has leaked or been officially acknowledged? SR-72 Darkstar, US. The SR-71 successor, Mach 6. Lockheed Martin confirms development. No delivery date. Unmanned. The SR-72 will cover New York to Beijing in 90 minutes. No air defense system on Earth is designed to intercept Mach 6. RQ-180 Block 2 projected. Enhanced stealth variant. Designed to integrate with LEO satellites for a complete surveillance network. Chinese WZ-8 hypersonic reconnaissance drone, officially unveiled 2019. Air-launched from H-6, recoverable in flight. Phaser-35, British. Solar-powered stratospheric aircraft. Can loiter for 1 full year without landing. Phaser-35 replaces a satellite for persistent surveillance of a fixed area at a fraction of the launch cost. The full arc. 1960, U-2 shot down, reshapes global diplomacy. 1998, SR-71 retires undefeated. 2013, RQ-180 revealed. Full capabilities still unknown. 2024, AI converts imagery into a decision in minutes. 2035, aircraft loiter for years, see everything, and understand it. The eye that never sleeps has not stopped since 1950. It has only learned to think. The question is no longer, is someone watching you? It is there a single moment when no one is?